Dusting bottom surfaces before tops risks recontaminating cleaned areas because dust and debris will fall downward and spoil your earlier work. When you dust from top to bottom, you use gravity to your advantage, so particles displaced from high surfaces land on lower ones that you will clean later. Start with ceiling fixtures, crown molding, and the tops of tall furniture, then move to shelves, picture frames, and countertops, finishing with baseboards and floors. Use a microfiber cloth or electrostatic duster for high surfaces to trap particles rather than just moving them around. For delicate items, lift them gently and dust with a soft brush or compressed air at low pressure so you do not dislodge fragile finishes. For large rooms, break the space into vertical zones so you cover full heights methodically, reducing the chance of skipping a high surface. If you are working where there are vents or ceiling fans, stop the fan and cover supply registers briefly or hold a cloth under the area you are cleaning to catch falling dust. Common mistakes include starting low and working up, which forces you to re-clean surfaces as dust drops, so reverse your order and always finish on the floor. Another problem is using a dry broom or old rag that simply pushes dust around, so switch to microfiber or a dampened cloth that captures particles and wash or replace cloths frequently. People also overlook corners and high ledges where dust accumulates, so use an extendable duster or a telescoping pole with a soft head to reach and remove buildup on those hidden surfaces. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing jobs and letting users share experiences. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and recommend professionals related to cleaning order and other home projects.